pinchers! Welcome back. We are going to do another episode of bacon wrapped chicken. So I'm going to show you all the items step by step what we need to do. So I have 8 strips of bacon, not thick, and 2 chicken breasts. I cut it in lengthwise, so I have 4 pieces. So this is about 1 pound. And the other spices what we have is half teaspoon of chili flakes and fennel seed, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, regular chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You cannot see this white, but this is salt in the middle. Then we need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So brown sugar is going to be mixed with all these spices. Then we are going to mix it to the chicken. So we need to turn the oven to 400 degrees, which I did already. So after we do that, we're going to put the chicken in the oven. So I'm going to mix the spices. So I'm going to take a half of the spices and rub it in to the chicken, and the half after we wrap the bacon, we're going to rub it on that. Wrap the bacon.
Okay.
Looks so good. All marinated. So what we do is take this and go around. Wrap it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this half. Rub it again on both sides.
Okay.
So I'm going to put it on this tray because, when the oil, it will drip. So like I said, the oven already 400 degrees is already on, so I'm going to put it in the oven.
Okay.
It will take at least 30 minutes or a little bit more. So we are going to wait 30 minutes until the chicken is cooked. But after 15 minutes, I'm going to turn it, over, yeah.
Okay.
15 minutes. Then we'll wait 30 minutes and see if it is cooked. Then because we can brown it for broil for 2 minutes. So I'll show you all that.
Okay.
Okay.
Be right back.
All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. It's perfect. So we put it for another 50 minutes and see. Okay, pinchers. This is almost 30 minutes. So let's look. All right. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to broil it for 2 minutes. That you can see, the difference. Okay, so I'm going to put it back. So the broil. See how it is boiling. Whew. Beautiful.
There you go. See?
You see that?
Yep.
Well cooked. Ready to go. Okay, pinchers. Here is our bacon wrapped chicken. Ready to go.